Jeff Bezos wants to sell you drugs. Welcome back to Off-Label Veterinary News, your source for commentary on animals, medicine, and practice life. If this is your first time and you're a veterinary colleague, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's jump in to a story that's going to impact anyone who prescribes medications. After months and months of speculation, Amazon.com finally threw its hat into the pill-pushing world. They acquired an amazing innovative startup called PillPack for an estimated $1 billion. Now, PillPack has been around since 2013, and basically it's the brainchild of a pharmacist and a technologist. If you're not familiar with this service, it works like this. You basically take all of your prescriptions, put them on their very simple and elegant online portal, and then PillPack does some magic. They package individual daily doses of your pills. So this is aimed for people taking multiple medications, which is most of the senior citizens in the United States and I would argue around the world. So all of those come packaged in a little bitty plastic wrapper. You open it up on Monday, you take your pill, and you're done. They have solved a problem that many of us have struggled with for many, many years. And that is, how do we make sure our patients are receiving and taking the proper drugs and dosages that we prescribe? And so I think Amazon was really smart. This is really one of those combinations that is very, very smart, because what Amazon did was they acquired not only an innovative pharmacy company, which is licensed in all 50 states and can ship to all 49 states with the exception of Hawaii, but they also bought a technology hub that is really unmatched. I don't see anything else coming close for the near future, because they have spent the past 5 years, PillPack has spent the last 5 years developing this system. So super smart move and a nice way for Amazon to enter into pharmacy sales by acquiring expertise and logistics that they don't have. Now that allows Amazon to focus on what it does best, and that is scale things up. With this $1 billion acquisition, I can tell you that Amazon is poised to take on the world of pharmaceuticals. But what does this have to do with veterinary medicine, you say? Currently, PillPack doesn't have anything to do with giving medications to dogs or cats or ferrets or hamsters or rabbits, right? It is true. But there are a few things we need to take note of. PillPack is a fully licensed pharmacist in all 50 states, which means that they can dispense the same medications that we prescribe to our pet patients. Number two, they are very, very heavily branded and messaging around pets already. In fact, one of their testimonial videos features a young lady taking her dog out for walks and talking about how this just makes her life simpler because she can open up this one pill pack a day and be done with it. And third, PillPack has this amazing online magazine called Folks, and right now, there are over 52 articles that they've written that involve dogs. So yes, I see this moving into our space very, very quickly. So who should be afraid? Henry Schein, with divesting and joining Vets First Choice, they're the first bunch that's probably very nervous today. Now, already across the pharmaceutical sphere, we've seen stocks tumble. In fact, some estimates were saying between $12 billion and $19 billion in value was lost just today when Amazon announced this acquisition. So Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, all these people are scrambling to do this. Vets First Choice is probably scrambling internally right now, because as soon as PillPack and Amazon turn this on for the vet industry, I will tell you, I think this is going to benefit our pet patients because it is very difficult. Many of our dogs and cats are on multiple medications. They're on monthly heartworm preventive. I mean, this solves a lot of pain points for us as practitioners who are simply trying to make sure our pets are treated properly. Now, if you're a distributor, if you are like the Schein Vets First Choice, I think they're gonna be worried. Will it affect their business overnight? No, absolutely not. What about 2 years, 3 years? I think absolutely. I think all of this will force better innovation. So A, I like this. It's gonna help us do better. B, I think it's gonna lower cost for pet owners. Again, that's a huge barrier to pet ownership. You and I as veterinary professionals want more people to have pets that they can afford to bring to the veterinarian. So if we can reduce or mitigate rising pet pharmaceuticals, then that can help us as well. And then third, I think it helps us with better outcomes because we all know that compliance and adherence to our recommendations is one of the areas that we fail, and this just might be one of those solutions. Sadly, I don't see one of our veterinary pharmaceutical or distributorships being able to scale up and replicate what PillPack can do today very quickly. I think we will see some movement in this direction very, very quickly. But having said that, these guys are experts and Amazon doesn't usually bet on bad business. Off-labelers, what do you think about these moves? Do you think they have any bearing on what veterinarians will see, or do you think that pet owners will now expect to see PillPacks for their pet? Well, that's it for another edition of Off-Label Veterinary News. If you like content like this and want to keep up to date on breaking news that impacts veterinary professionals, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as content like this drops on your internet doorstep. Until next time, keep living that off-label life. Bye.